We are going on a road trip to Napa Valley, and it's 427 miles away from here, and we're supposed to get there at 3:41 in the afternoon, but we are passing by somewhere for lunch or brunch. Brunch, lunch. Maybe Carmel by the Sea, or is it Carmel by the Sea? Carmel by the Sea or
Pismo Beach or Monterey.
So those are the choices. And here are the grapes from the garden. This one too. This is Pacific Coast Highway 1. Chips time, Josh. Pick the chips.
Like the potato chips. The sea salt.
Okay.
Is that the sea salt?
Yeah, this one.
After here, we'll move to the right lane.
This is beautiful. San Francisco is 340 miles away. Beautiful town by the ocean. Look at the cows there. In Cambria, the vegetations are like a little different.
Yeah. Oh, look at this one.
Yeah.
Oh, and this is winding road. Nice.
A long and winding road.
Put this on tour of California.
I think they did.
Yeah, Cambria. Yeah.
Yeah, right. This is
Oh, you're right. It
town.
crossed the highway.
Look at that building.
It's a church.
This is Redwood Cafe.
Oh, that's a better spot. You can see the trees.
Oh,
Creekside
Gardens.
Oh, there's parking. Oh, there too.
Richmond Pullman Antiques Mall. We are going to this place. This is a very cute antique-like
Look at
store.
the boots.
We are going to this place. The Creekside Gardens. There you go, Creekside Gardens.
People inside. There's like a garden.
We're here, Creekside Cafe. And this is their menu. They have omelets, little favorites. And they have
Something to drink?
Coffee, please. How about you, Mom?
exciting. I have coffee too.
Two
Thank
coffees?
you.
And
Yes, I think I'm going to get the apricot French toast. That's unique. I haven't seen this in another restaurant.
sounds yummy.
So this is what I'm gonna have. Apricot French toast. I'm having coffee.
That's how French.
This is my apricot French toast. And then Josh is having like French toast too. And then husband is, I don't know what is the
It's Paso scramble.
Paso scramble.
I really like Where are we, Josh? We're in Cambria Ocean.
Having lunch at Springside Restaurant.
Creekside. The other side. Creekside Gardens Cafe.
We're here in Cambria. We're in San Simeon now. That's where the sea lions are, Josh.
Yeah.
Over there. On top of those rocks, yes. The
Steve.
seagulls are here.
Look on the ground, JD.
The sea breeze. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Josh. I can't open. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at the seagulls over there. Hey Josh. We're in San Simeon. It's so windy, but look at the view. It's so pretty. Beautiful view. Beautiful view, but too windy. Moving on to the next destination, Big Sur. This is a beautiful place to stop by. Look at the deer, Josh, right across the street. 63 miles away. And then Carmel. Other side, Josh.
Look, like in Utah, JD.
You see?
Oh my gosh.
Who doesn't come running at us?
No.
They make good jerky meat.
I know.
Oh look,
There's
he's
one there.
resting.
Yeah.
2.
That one is a cow, I think. No?
No, buffalo.
Yeah, I saw it.
It's bigger than the one we saw in Cabo. Look.
I see something. Where?
There's a lot.
I see.
Oh look. Look at that one. He's swimming back.
Rolling hills. Oops. Rolling up. And down.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's how it is on freeway and highways.
Perfect like scenery. With rolling hills and a beautiful ocean view.
And the cliff.
Yes, Jack. Oh, this is Los Padres National Forest. Rugged Point Inn and entrance. Oh, this one is a nice place to stay too. Look, right?
Rugged
Rugged Point Inn.
Yeah.
And then they have a restaurant, so for more of a weekend getaway, right?
Yeah. So again, make the big one slightly bigger. And it's so blue.
Yeah.
See, it covers the coastline. Oh, there. This is it. This is the bridge. Oh, it's blue.
We are passing by this bridge. So Big Sur is 6 miles away. Monterey is 37 miles away. We're driving along the coast, like right here, all the way to Monterey.
Actually, it's more of crawling.
There's an RV in front of us. That's why it's like crawling really slow. We are chugging along.
There you go.
It's named like for like that state park because of the trees now.
Oh, why are they?
But I don't exactly remember where we stopped. Probably not here. It seems like it's a
I
mountain,
think
right?
it's there.
Yeah.
By the bridge, by that long bridge.
We are getting gas from here. This is we are now in Seaside, California. Look at these duckies. Migrating ducks, right?
Mm-hmm.
Look, those are colorful houses over there. I missed it earlier, but look at those colorful houses over there.
Prepare to bear left. Left onto US 101 North toward Golden Gate Bridge.
We are passing by Golden Gate now.
this is clear. You can see it.
I see an island on
That's
it.
That's
Alcatraz.
Alcatraz.
It looks like the endgame prison.
Yeah.
It's a prison, but they no longer use it.
Why?
There are a lot of movies about that one.
Escape from Alcatraz.
Because that's one of the hardest like prisons to escape. Look at this, Josh. This is like a suspension bridge. Those like things, if you want to be an engineer, right? Those are the ones supporting this bridge. You see those
Yeah.
cables?
Yeah.
They like